Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DCF887B impact driver for automotive. We all know that Dewalt is a reputed manufacturer of robust and long-lasting power tools. For this reason, our first consideration is Dewalt DCF887B for its unique features. It weighs only 2 pounds but delivers up to a torque of 1,825 in lbs. Besides, it comes with a powerful brushless motor that produces 3 RPM high speeds. It also has LED lights with 20 seconds of stay time after releasing the trigger to improve the engaged area's visibility. The 1/4 inch hex chuck with comfortable grip sleeve accepts a 1-inch bit tip with easy single-handed loading. The including belt clip helps you to hang it with your waist when it's not in use. Overall, it's a multi-purpose sturdy impact driver you can purchase within a budget price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Porter Cable PCCK604L2 Combo Kit. We all want a powerful but budget-friendly impact driver for our vehicle work. The Porter Cable impact driver comes with both qualities with 2 pieces, 1 impact driver and 1 drill. The compact design allows us to work in a narrow space. The 1/4 inch bit compact impact driver is 6.9 inches long and 3.3 pounds weight for easy handling. It can release 1450 inches lbs of torque to produce 2 speeds from 0 to 2,800 rpm and 0 to 3,100 rpm. Perfect for auto vehicle work. Also, you can change the bit with one hand easily. On the other hand, the sturdy motor has 283 units watts produced from 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,500 rpm. Both the impact driver and drill machine have a 2-speed setting, LED light, an ergonomic handle, and built-in bit storage. The combo kit includes two 20V 1.3 Ah lithium-ion batteries that produce more runtime. At number 3, we have the Makita XDT131 Cordless Impact Driver Kit. This Makita model can deliver 1,550 inches per pound of max torque and variable speed setting from 0 to 3,600 max RPM. It is the best-in-class solution for users who want more torque, longer runtime, and accuracy combining features. The brushless motors reduce carbon groves to let the BL motor run 50% more relaxed and more efficiently for a long period. The electronic regulated BL brushless motor efficiently utilizes power to level torque and RPM according to the task's demands. The 18VLXT 3.0 Ah battery takes only 30 minutes to charge fully to improved potency. It's an ideal tool for automotive mechanics who needs a best-in-class cordless impact driver. The soft rubberized grip and LED light on the head can improve work efficiency. At number 2, we have the Craftsman CMCF800C2 Impact Driver Kit. If you search for an impact driver with a muscular build with great features and a powerful battery, we would suggest looking at this Craftsman model. This cordless driver can deliver 1,460 inches lbs of torque for automotive work. You can easily change the bit with one hand because of the quick-release chuck. The including 20V lithium-ion battery produces max 2, 800 RPM, and 3, 100 IPM to quickly complete the task. Also, this heavy-duty battery runs a more extended period and provides continuous service. Moreover, the built-in LED light increases clarity in work zones. To increase usability, it can fit with the VersaTrack hang hook. Overall, it serves its best to complete your task efficiently. And finally at number 1, we have the Dewalt DCF885C1 Impact Driver Kit for automotive use. This Dewalt model has impressively strong production to help you get the job done swiftly and work with the most persistent materials efficiently. It offers a max torque of 1400 inches lbs and produces no load speed from 0 to 2800 rpm, and impacts min of 0 to 3200 IPM. If you want to increase the visibility at a particular driving place, the LED light automatically turns on when the trigger is pushed. The compact and ergonomic design reduces user fatigue and can reach to the narrow space. Also, you can change the 1/4 inch hex chuck easily with one hand. The package included one impact driver, a 20-volt max battery, and a fast charger. Most of all, it's a beneficial impact driver for those who want to handle powerful machines. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.